Hello dear students, we have completed our chapter 1. I hope that you also completed your copies, classwork and homework. And today we are going to discuss about the powers or exponents. Exponents of powers, suppose that we have written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this we have to represent in the form of exponent. So we have to count the number how many times 2 has come over there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this also we can write as in the form of exponent 2 to the power 4. So its power or exponent is 4, and this 2 is called the base. 2 to the power 4. This way we are supposed to read this. Okay, so this is the way how to write the exponents. And suppose any numbers coming that many times, suppose 5 into 5 into 5, and it is said to write in the form of exponent, then you only have to count the number of 5, 1, 2, 3, 5 as a base and to the power 3. If it is different numbers, 2 into 3 into 5, there is no way to write in the form of exponent. You have to totally 2 3s are 6, 5s are 13. You have to write as only the base is common. Then we'll count the number of times, and then we have to write. So very easy it is. Very interesting chapter. I hope you will enjoy. But before that, we have to discuss few properties of exponents. Okay. So after discussion, we'll follow the exercise. The first property of exponent is, or law 1 you can say, if any exponent a to the power m is multiplied by a to the power n. If 2 with the common base is common a, and powers are exponents are different. So what you have to do, base you will take as common, and exponents, if there is multiplication, exponents you have to add m plus n. Okay, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. Then you have to keep the base because base is common, and m and you have to add as a power. Okay, let's see with an example. Suppose 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 3. Okay, so how we'll write this? 2 to the power 2 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, very simple it is. Okay, and the same way it is law number 1. Same way, if it is second law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, then what will happen? Here it was multiplication, so we added. So you can think, if it is division, what we should do? It will be a to the power m minus n. Okay? If it is division and with a common base, then exponents we are supposed to subtract. Okay? Take example as 2 to the power 7 divided by 2 to the power 3. I have taken the same example so that you understand clearly. 2 to the power 7 and 2 to the power 3. So you can write it 2 to the power 7 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 7 minus 3, you have got 4. So it is 7, no? 7, so it will be 10. Okay. So 2 to the power 4. So this way is supposed to solve the question. Okay. So a to the power m, a to the power n multiplication you understood, and division. Let's see another case. Case number 3. When we have two numbers with a common base, a to the power m to the power n. Okay, it is case number 3. A to the power m to the power n. Means whole ka power. So here you have to a to the power m into n, or you can also write as a to the power mn. Okay, so this way you have to solve. Let's see the example. 2 to the power 7 to the power 3, suppose, So 2 to the power 7 into 3, 2 to the power 21. 7 to the 21. So understand it, because all these properties we are going to use in our exercises given in the book. Okay. Next property number 4. A to the power m. Suppose two different bases we have. A to the power m and multiply by b to the power m. Now here exponents are same, but the bases are different. So simply what you have to do, you have to multiply the bases and put the power as common. Okay? Means ab to the power m. The answer will be same. As suppose you can see 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 2. Okay? So it will be 2 into 3 to the power 2, 6 to the power 2, that is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 36. Okay. Now here you will say, see, if we take it differently, 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 3, 4 into 9 is equal to 36. Here also we are getting 36, and if we generalized it in a formula, here we also get the 36. So a to the power m to the power b into b to the power n is equal to ab ka power m. Together we can write, there is no problem at all. Okay. So hope you understood this. Now next one we will see. Next question or next property. It is also called as a property of zero exponent. We can say any number, whatever. Okay, any number. Suppose 4 to the power 0. If the exponent is 0, its value will always be 1. You will leave that base. If exponent is 0 or power is 0, its value will always lie to 1. Okay? As suppose e to the power 0 is equal to 1. X to the power 0 is equal to 1. 1000 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, regardless of the base, if the power is equal to 0, its total value will be equal to 0. Hope you understood this. Very easy it is, and interesting also. Some questions are there in the book that will follow up after this last property. Okay, it is the property of you can say inverse or negative exponent. Suppose any negative exponent we have got a to the power minus m. How we can write it? This can also be written as the inverse of this positive form. Okay, suppose 2 to the power minus 2. This we can write as 2 to the power 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so a to the power minus m, if there is negative exponent, you have to take the inverse of it and you have to solve. Okay, it will be positive. So hope you understood all the properties, and try to practice little bit. Some questions are given in the book, example questions. Try to solve those questions, because next video we are going to solve our exercises. So I hope that you will be prepared, and the questions which I am solving here will be easier for you, okay, to understand. So revise all the laws which we have revised. Once again I want to tell you that first one, a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Second one, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Okay, so here we will subtract a to the power m minus n. Third one was a to the power m to the power n. So it will be written as a to the power m into n, means mn. Fourth one was a to the power m into b to the power n. Sorry, exponents are common. So a into b to the power m we can write. Fifth one, property of 0, we have e to the power 0. Any numbers power 0 is always equal to 1. Sixth one we have discussed, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. So these all properties you're supposed to remember, you're supposed to keep in mind and try to solve the example questions given in your book. Thank you.